Layne Kids Teaching Kids, learning all new stuff. Layne World, bam! Hi, my name is Layne World Kids Teaching Kids, and here we're doing National Geographic Earth Science Activity Kit. And here's the volcano and the crystals, and right there. Be sure to link the description below, and it says 10 specimens. Huh?
What are we doing today?
We're building a crystal.
All right.
Okay, let's get started. Okay. Okay, first things first, read the instructions. Second, make sure you have all materials. Stainless steel pot for boiling, 1 cup of water, mixing bowl and stick, crystal growing chamber and powder, and last thing but not least, the sea rock. Okay. Now, look what I'm doing. I'm breaking the clumps. If you feel any clumps, try to pinch hard. Pinch hard while I'm doing it. And then, once you're done, you shake it like this. Okay? Now, let's get scissors. Okay, now I pour this in here. You ready? Here we go. Here comes the fun. Okay, that seems good. Okay, we're boiling water. Have a parent help you with this. See you in the next video, guys. Once the water's been boiling, we're going to pour it in until it's up to fill. You see that? Pretty cool, right? Now we're going to stir it until it's all dissolved. Hocus pocus, do a trick. Now that it's all dissolved, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that our 10 minutes is up, we're going to be carefully putting this in the center. You ready? There we go. There we go. Okay, now we stir it. Yeah. Okay, that's in the center. Put your crystal growing chamber in a warm and stable place for 3 to 4 days, above 68 degrees, and best to wait 7 days for best results. See ya in 3 to 4 or 7 days. Okay. Now it's been like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And now I'm going to show this to camera so that everyone can see it. Kind of cool, right? Okay. Now we're going to dig it out. Glistening, sparkling. Now we have my first crystal. Kind of cool, right, guys?